What if I told you that right now, there are 5 free AI tools so powerful they can replace entire teams of designers, writers, and editors, and most people still don't even know they exist? These aren't gimmicks, these are real tools used daily by creators, freelancers, and even Fortune 500 companies. Stay until the end, because number 5 will honestly blow your mind. Let's start with something that feels like pure magic: Gamma DAP. Forget PowerPoint or Google Slides. Gamma builds beautiful presentations automatically. You just type a topic, pick a style, and it creates fully designed decks with layouts, images, and text that actually make sense. But here's the best part. You can turn those same slides into a mini website or interactive portfolio in seconds. Pro tip: after generating, click Refine, and tell Gamma to make this more persuasive or add a storytelling tone. The result? Slides that look like they came from a top creative agency, and it's totally free for basic use. Tool number 2 is the secret weapon behind so many faceless YouTube channels: ElevenLabs. This AI doesn't just generate voiceovers, it replicates real human emotion, tone, and pacing. You can clone your own voice with just 1 minute of recording or pick from hundreds of professional studio-quality voices. It's perfect for narrations, tutorials, or content creators who don't want to record themselves every time. Pro tip: adjust the stability and clarity sliders. More stability for consistency, less for emotional storytelling. Once you try it, you'll realize how insanely real AI voices have become. Number 3, Notion AI, your personal productivity partner. This one's like having a copywriter, planner, and idea machine inside your notes. It can summarize pages, write emails, generate YouTube scripts, or even plan your entire content calendar. Ask it to write a YouTube intro in 3 sentences with a bold tone, and it nails it every time. Pro tip: build a simple Notion database for your ideas and deadlines. Notion AI will literally keep your entire workflow organized for you. If you create content, this tool will save you hours every week. Tool number 4 is every designer's dream: Leonardo AI. Think of it as Midjourney but 10 times faster and easier. You describe what you want: a futuristic city, a cinematic robot, a YouTube thumbnail, and Leonardo gives you studio-grade artwork in seconds. You can control lighting, aspect ratio, and even artistic style. Pro tip: always generate at least 4 to 5 versions, then upscale the one you like most. It adds insane detail and sharpness that's perfect for social media or video thumbnails. For creators, it's the ultimate visual hack. And finally, the one that can grow your channel the fastest: Opus Clip. You upload any long video and it automatically finds the most viral moments. It adds captions, zooms, emojis, and delivers ready-to-post shorts in minutes. It even gives each clip a virality score. Predicting which part of your video has the best chance to blow up. Pro tip: upload 1 long video, export 3 different short clips, and post them at different hours. It's like cloning your reach. If you're trying to grow fast on YouTube, this is your secret weapon. So those are the top 5 free AI tools that genuinely feel like magic in 2025. But here's the thing: tools don't replace creators, they empower them. The people who learn how to combine these tools will dominate the next generation of online content. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below. I'll share my personal workflow using these tools. And if you love discovering the smartest AIs and future tech every day, hit that subscribe button and join the Technova AI family. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.